Step into the Ford 2019 Fiesta SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include power moonroof, front license plate bracket, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels and tires, front all-season. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.